So now he's involving himself in the major. When I began my undergraduate career, I had the opportunity to be exposed to the full range of engineering courses, all of which tended to reinforce and solidify my intense interest in engineering. I've also had the opportunity to study a number of subjects in the humanities, and they have been both enjoyable and enlightening, providing me with a new and different perspective on the world in which we live. So there's some involvement in the major, meaning that as soon as you know what your major is, you shouldn't take a year to say, okay, I'm just going to take a year off and do my major courses later. No, you should begin thinking about and engaging in your engineering courses, so you need that continued validation to reinforce your conviction that this is the right place for you. Mentioning the humanities aspect of this, in connection to involvement in a major, the reason why they do that is because you want a writing ability. You want to be able to um, um, critically think in your report writing that might be required for engineering courses. And so English and humanities gives you that opportunity to learn how to write, communicate, and critically think on topics. But we definitely have something in here that tells us that he's involving himself in the major.